guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you what my school apartment looks like. This is where I stay when I go to college. We're going to go ahead, I'm going to show you guys that. I do not have time to do a dedicated video to my giveaway, but we made it. We made it to 125 and I'm so happy and thank you guys so much. I have most of the stuff right here with me, but I literally have class in less than an hour and a half and I have to drive about 40 minutes to get there because I am not there right now. So we will do the giveaway video on Thursday. I will be back Thursday. I will come home, film it, edit it, upload it. I will get it all set up for you guys because I know that's what you're all waiting for. But in the meantime, go ahead and get some interior design ideas for my apartment because it's beach theme and I just think it's so cute. So come tour my apartment with me. Okay, this is what it looks like when you come in. I have some stuffs hanging up here. These are from Home Goods, I believe. We have a little pineapple picture here. Don't remember where I got that. This is our laundry room. Nothing special. It is pretty big for an apartment laundry room. This is a 1,300 square foot apartment. And we have a little half bath. Recording it on my iPad. Then this couch, all this furniture I got used like online on this app called Garage Sale. I highly recommend checking it out if you're on a budget. This was bought from a consignment store. Consignment store, I don't even know. It was like a secondhand store and it was $10. Then those pillows are from Walmart or Kohl's, I don't remember. Just some stuff. I'm watching Gossip Girl. This is my favorite show. Y'all know this if you follow me on Instagram or even watch my videos. I'm sure I've mentioned it. These are some pictures from me and my roommate's vacation, but she's not here right now. I have this from Home Goods, a whale in a bottle. This was from my mother. Don't know where she got that. And then we have this little plant, just to liven things up a bit. This closet is where we store like Christmas decorations. Then we have this stuff. I love this thing. Ow! I just rammed my knee. This is from Hobby Lobby. This is Home Goods. This is my water bottle because the girl is thirsty. We have this little rug from Walmart. Then we have the fireplace. I love the little pineapples. I don't remember where I got them, but I got those two things from Home Goods or Hobby Lobby. I don't really remember. This is from Hobby Lobby. This is from Home Goods. Those are just some pictures from my roommate. The little lighthouse I got from a garage sale. The sailboat from Home Goods. The little seashell bottle looking thing my sister got me. And that little box right down there is from Kohl's. Then we have the dining room. This table was also used. Some little flowers from Kohl's. These were from my dad. These little pictures right here. Oil paintings of a lake. Also these were as well. Then we have this little ladder thing. I got this from Kohl's, I believe. This big clock. Some recycle that I need to take out. This is from Home Goods. Then we have our little galley kitchen. I wish it was opened up to the living room, but guess you get what you get. But I still really like it. It's super cute. Got some stuff from Walmart over there hanging up. Then we have my favorite part, which is the outside. Oh my gosh. Like, this is why we bought the place, I swear. Stupid door is always off its track. So, we have a lake in our backyard. We have had many good nights swimming in this in the summer. This little picture is from Hobby Lobby. Wind chime is from Walmart. The little penguin, what the? Flamingo and frog are from Kohl's. This table was bought on Garage Sale as well. Then we have some flowers from Kohl's and some pillows. I think those are from Walmart. Don't remember, but yeah, I literally love this view. And there's another mirror. I don't know. There's so many mirrors in this place. Now we're going to move on and go upstairs. So we have my roommate's room. She's not here, like I said. A closet full of like towels. Then we have my room. I literally love this room. So we have this globe from Home Goods. There's an electronic frame, but my friend that lives with me got it for me for my birthday a couple years ago. Harry Potter poster, Mizzou thingy, a New York picture, some concert tickets from some of my favorite concerts, something in Japanese or Chinese, I don't know, but I've worked at both types of restaurants. Something from literally 4th grade, oh my god. Like, what is this? Look at me though, am I so cute? This is where I do my makeup. Now my big collection's at home, but this is just a little light up mirror. And then every time I come back here for school, I just pack some of my makeup I feel like bringing with me, and that is that. This is my doggy. This is, oh my gosh, this was like my favorite gift, world's biggest bitch. Also from my roommate. Then my doggy again, I miss her so much. And all I need is football and my dog. New York, my heart belongs in Missouri, got that at Kohl's. New York map. And a famous Harry Potter quote, because I love Harry Potter. Some more shoes. We'll get to the main closet in a minute. I got this little curtain scarf from Walmart, I believe. I love it. It just kind of dresses up the room. Then these pillows, I believe I got from Kohl's. This little ladder is super cute. I just hang some different things. Justin Bieber, Dreamcatcher. And Gossip Girl, Selena. And then we have my bed. Oh my gosh, I love this, guys. My tapestry was like $9 on Amazon. I painted this over here. Then I got these lamps used. Then I got this little blanket. I believe it was called like lakeside.com. Literally like $9 or $10. The road to my heart is paved with paw prints. Like, I literally love it. It's so cute. I love this bed. Then I got some blankets. That's my bag I need to pack because I go home tomorrow. My TV. Then this is where I do some stuff. Ew, don't look at me. My shirt's all wrinkly. Then we have just some essential things. This is my skincare. This is from Walmart. This is my old organizer just with makeup I don't use anymore. And yeah, this is the bathroom. Got the little curtain, shower curtain, matching mats, matching towels. As you can tell, I'm pretty OCD about that. And finally, this is where like 80% of my clothes are. We have some more shoes. There's literally more shoes like tucked down in there. Shorts, pajamas, bras, more shorts, scarves and hats. Literally, I'm ridiculous. Like, if y'all have seen my beauty room tour, then if you haven't checked that out, but I still have like a rack this size at my house, plus another rack with just t-shirts, like t-shirts, you know. And then all of this shit. Like, why do I do this? I need to get rid of a bunch of clothes, like for real. This is like, let's see, bralettes, underwear. This is like hair, sunglasses, fuzzy socks, pants, more pants, and yeah, basically the moral of the story is I need to get rid of clothes because I have way entirely too many. But yeah, that is all I have for you today. I hope you guys enjoyed this little tour. I really love this apartment. It's very affordable. I love coming home to it when I have to go to school. Way better than dorm living if you ask me. But yeah, that is all. And I'll see you all in my next one. Bye!